Welcome to our step-by-step guide on uploading your video to YouTube Studio. First, locate the Create button in the top right corner of the YouTube Studio dashboard. Click on the Upload button under the drop-down to start uploading a video. Choose the Select Files option in the center of the screen to upload new video files. Select the video file by clicking on it. Click the Open button in the bottom right corner to finalize the selection of your video file. Start by adding information about your video. Type your video title into the text area to provide a clear description of your video's content. Enter a captivating description for your video in the provided text area. This is crucial for SEO and viewer engagement. Click on Upload Thumbnail to choose an image file for your video's thumbnail. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your video's click-through rate. Select the image file for your thumbnail. Click the Open button. Click the Playlists drop-down to show existing playlists. Select the playlist you want your video to be added to. Click the Done to confirm selection. Select No, it's not made for kids under the Audience section. Next, click the Next button located at the bottom right to move forward in the process. Add visual elements to your video. Start by clicking on Add to add subtitles to your video. Select Upload to upload a TXT or SRT file. Choose the Without Timing subtitle option by clicking on it in the center, if you prefer to upload your video without timed subtitles. Click the Continue button at the bottom center to proceed. Select your subtitle file from your computer. Click the Open button located at the bottom right. Click within the text area to edit the words that are spoken. This step is crucial for adding accurate captions. Click Done to confirm your subtitle settings. Click the second Add label to add an end screen. Use this feature to highlight other videos and your channel at the end of your video. Select the layout option you need. Drag each element on the bottom timeline to define how long you want it to show up. Perfecting the timing of these elements can enhance viewer engagement. Click the Save button to save your current settings. Click the Next button at the bottom right to proceed to the next step. If your video doesn't have any copyright claims, then click the Next button. Select the Public option by clicking on it in the middle left position to set your video's visibility to public. This makes your video accessible to everyone on YouTube. Locate and click the Publish button in the bottom right corner to initiate the publishing process for your video. Notice the Video Published message indicating that your video has been successfully uploaded to the platform. Click the Copy Link button at the bottom center to copy the URL of your published video to the clipboard for easy sharing. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded your video to YouTube Studio.